Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share you 5 sarees which are wardrobe essentials. First saree that I am going to show you is net saree. As you can see all over the saree, it has beautiful flower work which makes this saree so heavy but looks very beautiful. And because it comes under heavy sarees, you can use these sarees for a special occasions and home functions. Main part of any saree is the pallu. So coming to pallu of this saree, as you can see in the picture, it is so heavy and filled with so many designs. Looks very beautiful. Our next saree is silk saree. In silk sarees, you get different types. So according to the type of the saree you decide where to wear and which saree to wear. Saree which I am showing now is a traditional silk saree which you can wear for home functions. The elegant look of this saree is because of its color combination. All over the saree you can see these golden prints, especially over the pallu. The third saree that you must have in your wardrobe is cotton saree. So this cotton saree which I am showing you right now is not a pure cotton saree. It is somewhat silk mixed cotton saree. Cotton sarees you can wear for daily basis and it is very useful, especially for the summers. Our next wardrobe essential is a double colored saree. Saree is very simple with a little bit of stonework. In double colored sarees also you get different types: horizontal double colored, vertical double colored. This saree now I am showing is a horizontal double colored saree where down you can see cream color and upper part it is sky blue color. Our last saree is printed saree. This saree is light in weight, simple but yet beautiful because of these leafy prints on it. This type of simple sarees you can wear on daily basis. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.